the most important lost secret of personal power. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach, and today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. And today I want to speak for just a moment or two on what I believe is one of the qualities that a human being must possess, must have, in order to achieve greatness, a great relationship, a great marriage, a great business, a great career, a great income. Whatever it is that you're interested in creating, you're going to need this one quality. And unfortunately, modern society has downplayed this quality. Oh, it's not important anymore. You don't need this quality. This quality isn't going to help you. But that is not telling the truth. It was a while back ago, I was listening to a podcast, and one law of attraction guru said that courage and bravery are no longer necessary to manifest what you desire. He said courage and bravery were no longer necessary to manifest what you desire. And I busted up laughing because I have, in my own personal journey, thought about all the times that I've been up against a wall, that it didn't seem like there was anywhere to go, that I had made mistakes in my life or attracted negative experiences. And here I was, there was a wall. And the only thing that was going to get me through that wall was courage. I mean, I talk to people on the phone and around the world that don't even have the courage to call someone they're in love with. We live in a world where courage is not treasured. Now, at one time, courage was treasured, and that was a time when there was great manifestation in the world. The Industrial Revolution. People did the impossible at that time. And almost every great achievement in humankind has come as a result of someone reaching within themselves and pulling out that courage. Look, courage doesn't mean that you don't have some fears, or you're not plagued with doubts or worries or apprehensions. Courage means you see all that BS and you say, I'm going through it anyway. You know, they did a survey years ago of people in their last few days of life. And they asked these people, what do you regret? And almost 100%, almost every one of them said, I regret the things that I didn't do because I was afraid. I didn't do them because I feared them at the time. And if I had a chance to go back and relive my life again, I would do those things. So you think about it. What is it that you deeply want to do in your heart and your soul? What kind of life do you deeply desire to live? What kind of world do you deeply desire to manifest. It's going to take the lost secret. And that's what it is. It's a secret called courage. You remember in The Wizard of Oz, the Cowardly Lion. Once he got that courage, there was nothing that could stop him. But until he believed he had the courage, he was cowardly. You can walk around making excuses and saying, well, I'm just not that way. I'm cowardly. Or you can choose to pull out that courage within you. See yourself larger than any obstacle, any negativity. See yourself soaring high like a beautiful eagle. Over your fears, over your doubts, over your worries, over your apprehensions. There is no challenge in this world. There's no challenge here, there's no challenge here, and there's certainly none over here that is bigger than you. You are bigger than any challenge you will ever find in this world. And I mean that. I absolutely mean that. Now, think about this. Courage is a habit, and you can cultivate the habit. You can create affirmations that will strengthen the mind to be courageous. Oh, don't we all feel good as human beings? When we read a newspaper article or hear a television story about someone who ran into a house that was ablaze and saved a little child. Don't we all feel good? I mean, we feel absolutely wonderful that people have that courage. You have that courage. And that courage is what is necessary to manifest at an extraordinary level. You need that courage to manifest your deepest desires. So maybe you should take a few moments, just think about it, and write these words down. Write them down below here first, but then write them wherever you're looking at throughout the day. My courage creates my miracles. Write it down. My courage creates my miracles. And write it down and say it until it is a deep, pounding belief within you. Activate your courage. My courage creates my miracles. Roar aloud. Have a great day. You deserve it. Bye-bye now.